These are the top 3 stocks I'm watching that are ready for an explosive move up. First one is going to be DraftKings, currently at 53.25. We just had earnings and we saw an explosive move up from 43 all the way to 53.61. DraftKings here on the weekly chart, I am keeping an eye out for 58.74, and then post 58.74 resistance, I do think we'll get a break above as well. Watch for a price to test all the way up to about 74.33 resistance. Following DraftKings' resistance of 58.74, I'm ultimately looking for 86, 98, and 110 to be tested. This could be going into 2026 as well, so keep an eye out during 2026 for 110. As of this year, I do expect to see testing towards 74. Currently being at 53, I would prefer an entry closer to 50 to 52 if possible. 49 would be a really good case scenario if you do get a chance, in my opinion. Next stock is going to be Nike here, currently at 73.04. I would keep an eye out for a test towards 81.02. This is the 200 EMA on the daily chart. Currently, again, we're at 73. I think while we're below the 50 EMA on the daily chart, I would be adding small positions at a time and keeping an eye out for a reversal. Watch to see if 70.56 can hold as a support level. I know we did dip down here at a low of 68.62. However, we got a quickly 1, 2, 3, 4 days bought back up. So reversal here, potential for Nike, so long as we get this potential support confirmation above 70.56. Look for a move back up to 81, followed by 89.87, and then a test towards 109 going into the future for Nike. I think long term on the weekly chart, while we're in a bearish crossover, we should be able to get a U shape back up. I would then keep an eye out for 110, 133 to also be tested for Nike long term. If we measure the current price to about 133, that's a 90% gain. A 90% gain for Nike here. I do think this is a buy again, also while we're below the 50 EMA on the weekly chart. So a price below 82, I think, is a buy in my opinion. Going into Uber stock here, currently at 79.30. This is another stock I think will test above 100. Currently just facing this short-term resistance at 87, and then going into 104, 125, and even 160. So Uber, I do think will test 160. This is a buy right now in my opinion, while we are below 87. Let me know what you guys think down below. If we measure that move, by the way, for Uber, we could see all the way up to 168. That's almost 100% gain from Uber there. If you are in any of these stocks, Uber, Nike, or DraftKings, be sure to join our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join and there's over 32,000 members. Great place to talk about due diligence and share articles. If you're looking for our live entries and exits, we do have a 90% off discount. Link for that is down below in the description, as we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary at Bullish Trade Discord and Patreon. Both links are down below in the description. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to share, like, and subscribe. Totally appreciate everyone doing so. We will see you in the next video for DraftKings, Nike, and Uber stock.